Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix sound or audio issues in Football Manager 26 game. So without wasting your time, here follow the fixes. The first fix, steps to fix sound problem in Football Manager 26. On your PC, click on Windows icon and then click on Settings icon. Then click on System and then click on Sound Advanced and then click on More Sound Settings. Now click on your default device, for example speakers, and then click on Properties. Now go to the Spatial Sound tab, click the drop down box and select Off, then click on Apply and then OK. Now if Spatial Sound is already set to off, then select Windows Sonic for headphones instead. Then go to the Enhancements tab, check mark Loudness Equalization and then click on Apply and then OK. Now launch Football Manager 26 and then check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 2. Make sure sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for the audio settings within the Football Manager 26 game menu and ensure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Additionally, if you are using headphones, then you may like to try using speakers to see if any sounds play. Fix 3. This is for the players who is using the Bluetooth headphones. So right click on the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select Show Bluetooth devices, scroll to the bottom and select More Devices and Printer Settings. Then right click on your headphones and then select Properties. Now go to the Services tab and check Hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Then hit Apply. Now launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Click on sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume, select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then test it for the improvement. Fix 5. Disconnect additional peripheral devices. Your sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals. So disconnect any peripheral devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera, phone, additional controller, mouse, keyboard, extra, and then check. So by this way you can easily solve sound or audio issues in Football Manager 26 game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.